enjoying the view. Now, here it is. Isn't it grand? It's massive and it's huge. Huge. So we are now at Inia Lake. Yes. As you can see, I think this is a place where lots of young couples come and have some food and chill out. It's been very sunny, but as you can see, the rain clouds are coming in. It's becoming very cloudy. Thunder, I can hear thundering. So hopefully it's not going to rain. I mean, it's going to rain, but it's not going to hamper our plan. So this is Inia Lake. It's, I don't know, the water level is very high. It looks nice because it's in the middle of the city. They're repairing some, I think the street lights, they're repairing it. It looks great. Okay, so we have come to another pagoda. Now the thing is, let me see if I can gather I have the list of pagoda, but it's too confusing because it's not written in English. Let's see whether I can decipher its name. Hey! Let's go up and see what's there. Wait for the grandeur. Just wait for the grandeur. Look all around. Look all around. Enjoying the view. Now, here it is. Isn't it grand? It's massive and it's huge. 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 It's a gigantic Buddha with gold plating. It looks huge, and this is of all the pagodas that I've seen till date, I think this is the one with some devotees have come to pray. What is the name of this pagoda? Name?
Naraji Pagoda.
Look at this giant bell. What makes it different from others is this. Look at this loop. It's very well decorated. I think it's made out of iron or some kind of mixed metal. And what they have done is painted over it, but it still has some inscriptions which you can read. But I can't. So this is another pagoda. I am sure of the name. So you have lots of flowers which you can offer inside, and these are teas. So Sleeping Buddha is covered in a bamboo, some kind of their support. I think they're either repairing it or painting it. Let's see, or they might have done it okay. So they'll get up from there, go there, and enter from there and offer to the sleeping Buddha. This is for a ceremony that day. So the scaffolding has been done for the, I think for the some kind of celebration that has been planned. These are the different positions of Buddha depicting different forms. Some are teaching, some are for assurance. I hope I'll be able to get the shot that is from the leg, so that I'll get the full body shot of Buddha, but it's now covered in scaffolding. The offerings are going to God. Lên đâu. The rain has stopped and we are in the last stop for today. Forgot the name of the lake. I'll update later in the video comment. This is, I should call it the rotten lake because it's completely green in color. It's rotten, you can see the color, it's completely green. Someone forgot to clean the lake. This is also a place where people usually hang out. You can clearly make out the restaurants out there. Lots of people coming here to enjoy energy drinks. I mean, energy drinks are really popular out here. You got M150, you got the Power, and of course Red Bull. It's very popular out here. So I don't think we would be able to go to the war cemetery because it's very far from here, and tomorrow we have other plans. No, not such other plans as such, but we would like to take some rest because it's a long journey up ahead to Inle Lake, and then from there to Mandalay, and from Mandalay to Tamu. So basically it will be 3 nights on a bus. So it's better to save our energy than to get tired in a non-AC bus, non-AC car. It's a wooden bridge. Looks a bit rickety, but I hope it's going to hold my weight. This is basically a small island between the lake, which I think people come to enjoy a picnic out here, but I don't see any people. Obviously it's a weekday, people are busy working, unlike us who are having holidays, Durga Puja holidays back in Calcutta. But people out here is what they are working. Let me take some shots. Okay, so place which I had visited previously was just not the only part of the lake. This is a bigger lake, and that's I think kind of a boat or a hotel which is connected to the land. You can go inside. So let's check that out. This is a much bigger lake. Still it's dirty, but at least better than this one. This looks like just like the lake that we have in Calcutta. Very similar to it. A smaller version. Lots of restaurants, tea houses, places where basically you can just hang out. These guys are fishing out here. These are the fishing lines. If you go into, it's basically very raw. They just use those old spray cans and have the line tied up with the bait tied in front for the fish to grab, and so that's again they can catch the fish.